when the needle looks like this, it's broken. Then you open. You take it. You throw it in the trash, not on the ground. You take a new needle, and the needles have to be from the drawer of the machine, not from somewhere random. You look at the needle. It has a small panel, let's say, here, and on the other side it doesn't. This one needs to look at you, like this. Yeah, so you put it in like this, the foot has to be down. You check again if this one is looking at you, kind of straight, not to the little bit to the left, but it should kind of be straight. And you pull it all the way up, and then you take it a little bit out again, like 1 millimeter, which can be a little tricky. You hold it like this, close your screw. It shouldn't be all the way up, because then the tension on the needle is too high. And then you put your thread back inside. So inside and under the foot towards the back, like this.